Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful heart keychain. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. So let's get started and just make it with me. For this tutorial here I am using blue color of yarn, gun glue stick, 4mm of crochet hook, a scissors, a keychain hook and also some stitching mark. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial, so let's get started. Here I am using blue color of yarn. This is double knit yarn. I will show you how look it is like this. So for starting the pattern, first we will make a knot. Hold yarn like in fingers. Next I am going to make slip knot. So insert your hook. Here I am using 4mm of crochet hook. Insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with your thumb. Now yarn over and pull it through the loop. Here we have first loop. You see clearly how look it is. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Now insert your hook into the loop and also insert your hook, yarn over and pull it. Yarn over, pull it. Repeat same pattern, make chain. Just yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. You see clearly how look it is. Very easy to make. Repeat the same pattern, yarn over, pull it, 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 and complete the total of chains. For this pattern here I am going to make total of 51 chains. So repeat same pattern and just complete the total of 51 chains. Just yarn over and pull it. Repeat it and complete it. Here my 51 chains complete. You see clearly how it look it is. Now remove the hook. Here I am using stitching mark for showing you stitches clearly. First I am going to count the total of 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Here I am going to mark a stitch into the 15 chain like this. Next I am going to count the total of 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mark the second stitch into the 10th stitch like here after 15 chains. Next I am going to mark 10 chain more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stitch into the 10 chain after 10 chain. Next I am going to total of 15 chains into the last like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Here my 15 chains into the last. Now start the pattern. For making this pattern, here I am using 4mm of crochet hook. Insert your hook into the loop. Now I am going to make double crochet stitch in every chain. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain. In first 5 chain I am going to make 2 double crochet in each chain below. For making double crochet, I will show you how to make double crochet. I already make first one. Now yarn over the hook, insert your hook into the next chain. Pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make one more into the same chain below like this. You see clearly. Now repeat the same pattern. Make 2 double crochet in each chain below. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Repeat the same pattern and complete the total of 2 double crochet in each chain below and just complete the total of 30 double crochet in first 15 chains. Here my 14 chains complete. Now into the 15 chain remove the stitch mark and make 2 double crochet stitches into the 15 chain. Like last chain, make 2 double crochet first and second one into the same chain below. Like this. Here my 30 double crochet complete in 15 chains below. The stitch is gonna be round like this when you make 2 double crochet in each chain below. Now in next 10 chain we're gonna make 1 double crochet in each chain below. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. In next 10 chain I am going to make total of 1 double crochet in each chain below. Don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. Repeat same pattern, make 1 double crochet in each chain below until you complete the total of 10 chains. Here my 10 chains complete. Now into the stitch marker chain we're gonna make total of 5 double crochet for making a turn, like for making the corner of the heart. In this chain I'm going to make 5 double crochet. This is my first double crochet. Sorry for this. This is my first. Now this is my second into the same chain below. The third one and the fourth one and the last fifth one. You see here I make a turn like the corner of the heart. Now in next 10 chain I am going to repeat the same pattern of 1 double crochet in each chain below. After that just 1 double crochet in next 10 chains like here until you reach into the stitch marker chain. Repeat same pattern, make 1 double crochet in each chain below. Just yarn over the hook, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, and complete the total of 10 double crochet in next 10 chains. Here my 9 double crochet complete. I remove the 10th stitch mark and make one more into the 10th chain like this. My 10 double crochet complete. Now into the last 15 chains repeat the pattern of 2 double crochet in last 15 chains like as we make into the first 15 chains. Repeat the same pattern, make 2 double crochet in each chain below. I will show you clearly all the stitches. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. So here you see clearly the 2 double crochet in each chain below in last 15 chains and complete it. Repeat the same pattern until you reach into the last. Here my pattern complete. I make last 3 chain on top, yarn over, pull it, yarn over and pull it. Insert your hook into the same chain below and make slip stitch. Insert your hook and pull the yarn twice. For making slip stitch, just pull yarn twice. After that chain 1, pull the yarn over and cut it with your scissors. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the last. Now I will show you how to wrap it and make the heart shape. Just wrap the 15 double crochet stitches like this. And make the proper heart shape. I will show you clearly how to make this. Now repeat the same pattern and wrap it again and put some glue into the stitches. You see clearly how look it is. Just put some glue into the stitches and wrap it again. Here I am using gun glue. Add some glue on top. Just add it here and wrap it tightly and secure your work into the last. Make sure you will wrap it tightly. Make sure you will add the total of first 15 chains on both sides and make the flower heart shape. Now just repeat the another side. Here my both side complete. Now I add some glue into the center like here. Here I add some glue and attach the both circles with each other. So press it tightly and join them together like this. You see clearly how look it is. Very easy tutorial. Now in the last I'm going to attach a keychain hook on top and come back. Here I already completed. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. So stay with me for my next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.